So the flex edge finder is mounted in this drill chuck, and this is about the worst drill chuck I own. As you can see, the runout is about 10 thousandths. And the runout is in the direction that will compensate for. So I'm moving the y-axis until I see movement on our flex edge finder indicator, and now I'm going to go back to 0. And now to cancel out runout, we'll do a 180-degree rotation. I'm going to put a finger force on it, and then I'm going to split the difference. So right there, we're about 1, 2, 3. And then to check we split the difference correctly, we should have the same reading when we get to this side. So now we have our dial set here at 0. You can see it's real close to 0. And now what I'll do is I'm going to back off. I'm going to I will loosen this, and I'm going to clock it in a different spot. So now our runout has changed, and I will do the same thing again. So I will go forward with the y-axis. We have movement. Go back to 0. Put a finger force on it. I'm going to go 180 degrees. And now we need to split our difference. So we'll split our difference. So right about there. And to confirm we split the difference correctly, we should go there. So, right there. Now we're right on the edge, and you can see it repeats. So even though we're using a drill chuck, and this drill chuck is it's kind of in bad condition, it doesn't hold tools very well, it has run out, we're able to compensate.